So I think we've all been there, staring at a blank screen going, I have no idea of what content to create. And lack of content ideas usually goes one of two ways. You either record something that is pretty meh, or you leave it till tomorrow, the day after, the week after, and that doesn't actually help your business at all. So what if there is a better way with AI? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the framework I use with my students and clients to create about 200 content ideas in only a few minutes and a few clicks. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Monica, and I have helped over 200 coaches so far enhance their businesses with AI and reduce time and money while boosting their productivity and profitability. And if you want the exact prompt that I use to come up with these 200 ideas, just drop me a line and I will send them to you. Now, let me switch to my iPad and I will show you how it works. Okay, so here's how the framework works. First, we're going to ask ChatGPT to come up with several topics for us. And this can be 2, 5, 10, 15, it doesn't matter how many topics, as long as these topics are based on your offers, your business, and your audience. And once it comes up with those several topics, we're going to pick just one topic. Now, don't forget, these other topics are also your arsenal. You can use them later with the exact same framework. But for this training, we are going to pick just one topic and ask ChatGPT to come up with 10 subtopics based on this one topic. And this will give you 10 topic ideas. Then we're going to take our 10 topic ideas and we're going to ask ChatGPT to come up with topic ideas for each one of those 10 subtopics based on a fear, a frustration, a goal, and a aspiration. And that will give us 40 topic ideas. We are now going to take these 40 topic ideas and ask ChatGPT to come up with topic ideas based on asking a question. So the first one will be ask a question. The next idea would be on making people think. So make people think. The next one is giving a tip. So we're going to give a tip. And this is all based on this first topic. Then we are going to create an analogy. And the last one is this versus that. Now, when you sum it all up, each of those 40 topics will become your 200 content ideas that you can take and choose which ones to create and which ones to discard. Now, I'm not saying that 200 topic ideas will be all incredible, but you will have 200 of them to choose from. And if you do this only once a week, you only have to do it once a week, and you will have more content that you know what to do with. And once again, if you want the exact prompts that you can copy and paste, just drop me a line and I'll send them your way.